the best companies are creating HTML specs that have embedded prototypes in them, or some of them have a very short spec, but a very detailed prototype where actually most of the front end code is already done. So what we're seeing is a strong movement towards the handoff to development being code in different levels of code, either prototype code inside of a spec that's sort of a minimal, or a prototype and a spec, or a full prototype, or sometimes a full feature, but just not as intelligently developed as it could be, right? So the engineer looks at it and says, okay, this is kind of messy code, but I understand exactly what you're trying to do because it already does it, and let me improve the way it's done, right? So these handoffs are changing very, very rapidly, and Claude can really do all of the parts of it together with you. The new type of spec, the prototype. I have a founder who said, I've got a personal software factory here. It's just cranking software. I just need to tell it what to build, and the whole thing is done. So that's a remarkable level of automations here.